Hi guys, and this is the third part of resistance, support and resistance. Okay, this is the third video, third part of the support and resistance. You can check it in the playlist support and resistance. Okay, if you didn't watch the first video and second video, please watch it, and you can continue this. Okay, you can see this. You can see this. Just now I logged in, but I don't know when did I drawn this level, but it worked. So I always tell you that first master the support and resistance, and next you can go ahead. Okay, now let us start. Now let us start from beginning. Okay, it's a uptrend. If you see this is a uptrend, right? Here it's a good level. Here there's a good level. You can draw a level here. Okay, here it's a downtrend. I mean, the minor trend is a downtrend, so we can't go against the trend. Let's wait. The next level is this point. Okay, observe the level. Next level is here. Okay, we need to wait. We don't have any choice, so we need to wait. See here, this level. Let us consider the first level we drawn here, and this is the level. It is tested, and again the market respect this level, but here the market made a breakout, and again, after, as I told, the resistance, if the market crosses the resistance, then the resistance, that level become a support. Okay, the resistance turn into the support. Okay, as I told, this resistance now turned into a support. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and here also we consider this also, but okay, let us consider this part only. Okay, you can see the support, okay, the resistance converted into support. And here also, this second level also, it is a support, and it break, and it acts as a resistance. Okay, it acts as a resistance once, twice, but it's rejected. Even though it's rejected, and again it become a support, like that. We need to wait until the market get the market come to here. Okay, we need to wait. That's the only thing we need to do now, because we, without a patience or without we waiting, we can't do anything, because this is a trading, and trading is along with the part of a patience. Okay, you must wait. Success won't come within a second or within a short time. We need to wait, and at least we need to wait the market to reach here. Okay, so this level is a resistance. Okay, now this level is a support. It is good, and it is a good example, and let us wait up to the market reach either of the levels. So let us change the currency pair and check the other levels. Let us resume this currency pair after some time, after this market reaches the either of the level. Okay, okay, we're going to delete all the levels here, now. Here it acted as a support. Okay, it acted as a support. So it acted as support. Okay, let us change the currency pair, but it's not, it's not much good to place our trades. Why? Because you can see it's a strong trend. Okay, we can't find any the I mean uh, the change of the market, the change of the trend. So it is good, but I think we missed it. Okay, this is the level. The market is Okay, the market, the sellers enter into market. Actually, we need to place our trades at these levels, anyhow, anyhow we didn't get any chances here to place our levels. Okay, you can see here 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the market is getting, what, the market is reverse here. Okay, now we can place our trade. If the market reaches here, we can place our trade into put. Okay, but again the market reversed. Okay, we need to wait. That's it, we don't have any more options. Okay, any options, we need to wait. And okay, again the market, you can see the market, the buyers entered. So if this candle closes below, we can go with the sellers. Okay, I took here put option. It is more good if I took my I mean, if I place my trade at these levels, but in because of the urgency I placed, you don't do these mistakes. Okay, place your trades at these levels. Okay, at the top or these levels, between these levels. If these type of candles won't break, okay, you can place your trades at these levels. Okay, if the previous candles didn't break the level. Okay, anyhow the sellers entered for our good luck. It's my luck. I not supposed to place my trade here. Okay, I thought to place my trades at these levels, but I placed because of, I thought again the candle may become like this or like this, so I placed my trade. Okay, we won this. Okay, see, it's a good one. Okay, it's a good trade with a confirmation. Okay, we know that we're going to win, huh? So always trade like this and wait until the market get up to here. Okay, it is more better if you place your trade after breaking the level. Okay, what I mean, see, if the market breaks here, okay, why? Because it's anyhow it's a downtrend. It is highly dangerous to place your trades against the trend. Okay, so wait until, okay, it's for 100% result. You need to, I mean, in market there is no 100%. Okay, but for more possibilities, I'm talking about the possibilities. Okay, for the more possibilities, wait. Okay, wait and place your trades at this level has a resistance for the market. Why? Because anyhow this is a downtrend. It is highly risk to place your trade against the trend. So I told you like that. Okay, the market is off. Maybe it is in a consolidation area. Okay, we can place our trades, after the regular momentum of the market. Why? Because it's a consolidation area, we can't place our trade. With this market break, or it's a downtrend. Okay, the minor trend is downtrend, so we can't place against our trend. Okay, we can't place our trade against our trend, so let us wait. Okay, again the bar center. So here if you observe, as I told, see this market is breaking now. Okay, it breaks successfully. Hence that's why I told you don't trade against the market. Okay, don't trade against the market. Why? This is the main reason. Okay, now this level is become, okay, this level become the resistant. Now this level is a resistant. If you're will, okay, if you're ready to wait, okay, if you're ready to wait, and I can give you a ensure, okay, assurance, and that I can assure you that you will going to get a good profits or a good success rate. Okay, only thing, if you observe this, if the market reaches here, we can go with the put option. Why? Because now it's a downtrend, and now this support become a resistance. Okay, and this is how you need to wait and you need to trade. Okay, you can't make it into a rush, and you can't place your trade as like you want. Okay, you need to follow some rules, and you need to follow some okay, what to say, that follow some strategies. Okay, it's not a strategies, it's like a it's like a common thing you need to know about the market. See here, the market went up to here and it get back. Okay, do you think that I place here put option? No, I won't. Sorry, call option. No, I won't place my call option. Okay, why? Because even though this market may be even though this is a support, now I won't place a call option. Why? Because if you observe this, the market is downtrend. This level may break now. Why? Because within a no time, the buyer showed interest to break this level to sorry, the seller showed interest to break this level, and they showed interest to move more to move the market down, much down. Okay, see, again the seller showed interest to come down, so we can expect the sellers to break the levels. Okay, so you need to wait until the market get down, and next point this will become a resistance. Okay, see here, if this move up to here, we can place our we can place a put option. The only thing is you need to wait, otherwise you can't you can't get a you can't get a good trades. Why? Because you can trade at the middle of the trends also, but it is more better to place your trades at these levels. Okay, now this level is successfully break. Now we can go with the trend. If this trend reaches, if the market reaches this resistance, we can go with a put option. Otherwise we can go with a call option at this level. So I will show you one more thing. Okay, now here this market break, right? This is an uptrend. We can't go against the trend here also. Okay, we can't go against the trend. Only once you can go against the trend, when it when the market reaches the level for the first time. Okay, even though it's a risk, we can try it. Why? Because with this confirmation, okay, with the rejection, see here, like when this market break, see here, when this market break, when it came to this level, now this resistance become a support. Okay, this resistance become a support, but again the market came here, but it successfully break the level. Okay, this candle is okay. You won't place that your trades at this candle. Okay, you will wait up until this candle to close, then after this candle you will going to place your trades. Next level is anyhow, the next level is here, you're going to wait. Okay, here also you won't place. Why? Because this candle is broke. Even this is a fake breakout, but this candle is broke. Okay, you can't make you can't dare to get into the trade here. Okay, you need to wait until to get a perfect time or a perfect context to place your trades. Okay, okay, I'm going to place my trade if this market reaches this level or this level too. Why? Because after a long time, okay, see here, this, okay, af- after a long time, you can see the time also here. You can see the time also, 14:24. Here you can see already 15:21, nearly 1 hour. Okay, nearly nearly 1 hour. Okay, we can expect the buyers to enter here. Okay, okay, the market is moving near the resistance level, so we can go with a put. Here also we can go with a put. Okay, here we can go with a put. I'm get actually I'm watching for a good context, or for a good example like this. After some time I got now, so we're going to place our trade in the next for the next candle. Okay, even though in this candle there is no rejection, we can go with the put. Why? Because here there is a level and it's a downtrend. Okay, see, okay, we got rejection. The sellers rejected. I took a put option. I took here put option, and one more thing, place your trades on the opening of the candle, or with the what to say, with the margin safety. Okay, opening of the candle or with the margin safety. And this is how we need to place the resistance supports. I think this helped you. And only okay, only trades, okay, sorry, only place your trades like this. Okay, don't place like anything, as you want. Just please follow these rules. Okay, don't go against the trend, wait until to the breakout. Okay, you can only trust the level. Okay, you can only trust the resistance or support if against the trend for only once. Okay, see here, it respected the downtrend, respected, has it has the level has a support. And again also it's if anyone plays here, it's their luck, but here it doesn't. Now we can, anyhow it's a downtrend, we can go with the downtrend. And here there is a support too, sorry, resistance too. Okay, we can go with the sellers easily, with a confidence, with a huge confidence. Okay, please follow this. I hope you will do, and don't go against the trend anyway. Okay, until wait to break the break the levels, and then you can go with the trend. And now this is for today, and in my next video I will going to explain to drive strong levels, very strong levels. Okay, and along with that, how to trade in the strong levels. Anyhow, we are discussing how to trade with the levels, and and that is also same thing as like this. And the next video is mainly concentrated on the drawing the strong levels and trading on the strong levels. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.